Kashami choyamti msue simbaka hiboko local government secretariat kajili luwele tolo gbilinigh shacho kwase-twer mantwene yaka wanwasi Doofan Ayatse-Agishi ava twe solo ne gbilinigh hachuku ngo esimba bekla luwe noga nelu avese silo ningi Aaven tisine Aaven tomne vo ya sisone
ya yasi bae siembe boas na kwane chia katoti ya oti ayilai boa ohonia sesiba siba so bakaon do abende na kamon heme kasemba sôrun twe Aaven nasi sune pushing wapa samba bato iko yangu na me wanu usaki samba samba embe shike kwa namba onu na shike na samba embe e ondo ase wen anyo akuma na ha iyo gene oye ondo se wen anyo kumani biashwa biashwa ondo awase yasi hama kwa yeza timipa ondo wase dia anam timi antiba sie twe she ondo ne be na she dey she give msue kiki
ngula kamkanem mamsu ne davan shadzwa Doofan wano bea tif wen shunu e kolum kombo twe solo no gbilinigh ne e twe solo no gbilinigh ne uluza heme na ha o tif onja kwa kae kamba nange ntom chili ve hembe tomia ngogwa su tif shatachi Her Royal Majesty Professor Mrs. Felicia Hembadon Ayatse ngo tif shatachi abanyo hele kombone man adzahemunu wa kasi kyosun ban kwa niketona
chikena ne panado baon wa kumesho no wurila aye tu panado la aye tu kura
higen selo lamen kwase-twer Doofan wen shuno koho mkombo twe solo ne selo ngwan pi wo kiamba na sha toka twe ne.
Okay, motiami Dr. Doofan Ayatse-Agishi ngo kwaso hemen kasemba sôrun twele ek Benue Association waseke yela Medical Women Association of Nigeria Benue State Chapter
kashame sisu na ya ventomu vanyolomi henene me fati olumba gande kanyitu okishimawe ilu kase kyosun
kagbia yona atuaye mailu kasev bachoro masiva ninge have hako bede nane she ulame have hako world hypertension day
kashame to yantiv etwe solo no gbilinigh ne uyalo kondo bria tif te wese His Royal Majesty Professor James Doofan Ayatse abanyo hile giligi twe solo ne show negentom shison kase kyosun mbeluele mvetwene niketo nungwa ko aluemi wolon ya
ti kabe kase kyosun la nube chakwa rega da jungbon batule ya hundunje mwa ichuku on the same boat, never again, they shall never. We remember this, I was in a ritual. So let me say what? You have I'm a
etwe solo no gbilinigh ne udo kase kyosun ba bishi ni kreto ve kpoa mbagene ne ngo shieda ba twe solo ne
oga yeli dia ingoroko
mo ke yila e alo ngodo
oba yele Bridget mbiu ya mu wa yon sha tip television
mungwa program nation yande ejo do reform evangelical church mission
we check in bio chicha ebe ya izona osa na ina chi
osa chizu chimbo ya afat kingo gbe na chi toke na dem na chi kila
na higen ka yave ni mpima no kiamba na hemba tole vishumba viva shanye zoe wano beautif over na twe solo no gbilinigh ni kreto amba tole mba nungwa Aaven etom ave etom vinyoya.
I'm Dr. Onguga Bamidele Ohiozoje.
Onguga Bamidele, welcome to Boko.
Thank you.
So what are the most common issues you have found among the widows during the outreach?
Okay, during the outreach, we found that most of them are hypertensive, some are diabetic, and some have dyspepsia, so what people normally call ulcer. Most of them have dyspeptic pain, some of them have arthritis. So these are some of the common things, and some of them also came down with malaria.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Okay. So why do you think this kind of outreach is particularly important to widows?
This outreach is really, really very important because we find out that the widows are vulnerable members of our societies, and most times they are neglected. And most times some of them are even being taken advantage of in the society. They don't have money, they can't go to seek health care. I even had an interrogation with one that told me she was thinking how she will go to the hospital today, only for her to hear about this outreach. So it was really very timely. So the widows need care, they need to be taken care of. So this outreach has gone a long way, and some of them have their first diagnosis today of being hypertensive. And we know hypertension is a silent killer, it may not give symptoms. So for those of them that have discovered their health issues today, they've known their numbers, they can now take care of themselves and help them to live more for their families.
Kaben hela krayo. Kasev kyosun ba vingo ho twe solo kwa shemba twele chi. We ko ho ji myon klensan yo. We to photo, we wamo, we embe myongo. Ve wano beautif when you know va twe solo ne. Sha to tip television ya. Kama wan wen tefa on daka. Alova nem kanen sha twe solo no gbilinigh ne ye. Zane hemano negative television. Na dual tip television sha humbe. Sha Facebook, sha TikTok, sha Instagram, kwa YouTube. Agirigi loho pango. One tinde loho ma se dual mi yo. Wen yo ka info@tiptv.com. Lune dodo sashi ogene.